Hello, kids. Do you know what time it is right now? You don't? Well, no worries because I am here to teach you how the clock works. Let me introduce to you the clock's basic structure. On the clock, you can see numbers written from 1 to 12 and you see three hands. Those three hands are the seconds hand, minutes hand, and the hours hand. The seconds hand is the longest, followed by the minutes hand, which is shorter comparatively to the seconds hand, and the hour hand, which is the shortest amongst all the three. Now, one complete turn made by the second hand is equal to 1 minute, and one complete turn made by the minutes hand is equal to 1 hour, and one complete turn made by the hours hand is equal to 12 hours.